Have you ever come across a product that promises to solve all your plumbing problems with no effort at all? Well, that's exactly what the Liapu Drain Cleaner claims to do. According to its marketing, it's strong, odorless, won't damage your pipes, and can handle clogs from hair, grease, soap scum, basically anything. Sounds perfect, right? Sinks, toilets, showers, you name it. But here's where things start to get a little suspicious. For starters, there are no verified reviews from real users on trusted sites like Amazon. That's always a red flag. You want proof that a product works before spending your money, especially on something that goes straight into your plumbing. Even more concerning, there's no ingredient list. That means you have no idea what chemicals you're pouring into your home. Unlike established brands like Drano or Liquid Plumber, which have decades of reviews and a track record of working safely, Liapu offers no such transparency. You're essentially buying it on faith. And if that wasn't enough, this product appears to be sourced from China, sold cheaply on wholesale sites, and then repackaged for a higher price online. That $10 bottle, you might just be overpaying for something that does very little or could even damage your pipes. So, is it a scam? The honest answer is maybe. It might work, it might do nothing, or worst case, it could cause damage. If you're dealing with serious clogs, it's safer to stick with brands that have been tested and reviewed by real users. Now, some might argue, well, you haven't tried it yourself, so how can you say it's bad? Fair point. But when a product has zero transparency, zero reviews, and comes from an unverified source, that alone is enough reason to be cautious. Sometimes, caution saves you a lot of trouble and money. In short, Liapu Drain Cleaner promises a lot but offers very little proof. If you want a safe and reliable solution for clogged drains, stick to products with a history of trust.